Ever had an image that's just too small for a good engrave? Maybe it looked fine on screen, but as soon as you zoom in, it just doesn't have enough detail for a clean engrave. Here's how to fix that. Go to Toolset in the main menu and pick AI Upscale. Next, upload the image you want to upscale. The AI Upscale feature takes your image and makes it bigger. And I don't mean the blurry kind of bigger. It actually generates new detail to keep things sharp. Now, choose your upscale factor, anywhere from 2x all the way up to 16x. The bigger the factor, the larger your final image. You'll see the new dimensions right away, so there's no guessing. Hit Preview to check the result. Happy with it? Click Apply, and you're basically done. Then download your image and enjoy your clean, sharp, and ready to engrave result. Let's see the comparison before and after upscaling. I think the result speaks for itself. Go give it a try at imag-r.com, completely free.